Quick reading for February the 7th to February the 8th. As Sagittarius, we have the Seven of Wands, the Knight of Wands, and the Three of Swords. Kasi with the Seven of Wands, parang merong ikaw yata ito, no? Strategic mong gagawin na parang feeling ko hindi sinasadya, sinadya ito eh. Gusto kasing gawin. Kaso ayaw, no? Either this is you yung nag-i-stop dito kay person mo or yung person mo nag-i-stop gawin ito dahil ayaw niya. Pero parang hindi maiiwasan, no? Gagawin at gagawin niya. Kaya medyo masakit. Pero gagawa ito ng sorry for busting this out. Yun nga, hindi sana malalaman kung hindi ko sinabi. So, pasensya na. Yeah, parang meron itong gagawin na isang bagay na ayaw. Makakalusot, sana kung hindi ito napakinggan. But yeah, here's your reading, Sagittarius, for February the 7th to February the 8th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars.